What up, people of YouTubes? This is a 2012 Mazdaspeed 3, and I'm filming how to install aftermarket sub and amp to this car, since I've been looking over the place and there's only instructions for the regular Mazda 3. So it's pretty easy, a lot easier than I thought it'd be. You don't really need to splice anything except for your signal wire, which I spliced straight to the I don't know, you can even see it. Basically your head unit lighting wire. But if you buy this kit, I'll have the link in the description. It comes with a wire for your signal wire to the amp. So you just splice, this is the only thing you're gonna have to splice. And this unit is straight plug and play. You plug this connector right here to the actual unit itself on the back, and then you plug this harness into your head unit, and you're gonna get signal to your amp. So to do this install is really simple. I had everything taken apart to make sure it works before I film this. So to take this off right here, to get you to your head unit, you just pull your fingers in between the vents. Don't hold on to the vents because you're gonna rip it out. Right in between, and then you just pull straight out this way, and it's just gonna pop out. And then once you have that out, hold on. Once you have it out, there's a screw right here, and then a screw across from it that holds the head unit in. Right here, you see it? So once you have those two screws out, you just hold the back of this. I just put my fingers behind the plate right here on both sides, and then you just pull the head unit towards you, and it would just pop right out. And then simple as that. And the way I ran my RCA cables and power cable. Let's see, turn the. Alright, I had to pause the video so I can use my hands to take this plate off. But this plate covers the underneath side of your passenger glove box right there. And just literally two tabs. You press that in, press the other tab in over there, and then it just falls straight down. So for my power wire, let's see if I can get back here. But you see that little plastic part right here? So behind that, there's this foam dampener part right here that you just push your power wire straight through, and it'll come out the other side where your AC piping will go. So on the front side, it'll pop out as such. It's a lot easier if you have two people, one feeding, the other one pulling. And then I just have my power wire routed behind the heat shield to the battery box. And then on the back side, here's my sub and amp. To ground this, there's this little, let me find it. Here's this little cover right here on the side. Just pull that off, and I just grounded it to one of these posts in the back. So either one, as long as it's touching the frame, you're good. So yeah, that's it. Pretty much. Once you have it installed, you're gonna have to fine tune everything because it sounds not the greatest, but I am getting signal to the amp, which is good. I've been trying to figure that out for a while. So I bought a regular like pack kit where you splice into the negative and positives of the fronts and rears, and it will give you an output to the RCA. I tried that route, didn't work, no signal to the amp whatsoever. So I went on the forums and someone suggested I buy one of these off of Amazon. They're like 25 bucks, 30 bucks. And that's it. Direct plug and play, except for your signal wire. That's the only thing. And I suggest you getting one of those. Let's see if you can see the one I have back here. One of these splice connectors. So it crimps down to your actual wiring, so you can just put one in one side, and then you can tap straight into your signal wire. Or if you want to just splice directly to this, then you're good. And that's it. Hopefully that's a useful video, because I know I looked all over YouTube and couldn't really find anything for Speed 3. So there you go. I'll have all the parts and everything in the description. Thank you.